Welcome back to Cooking with the Boys.
Today we will be making sweet mochi topping.
What you're gonna need today is cornstarch, 1/2 cup of Mochiko, which is glutinous rice flour, 1/3 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of sugar.
First, you are going to mix everything together. And then mix it. Mix until there's no more powder. So scoop it off the sides. When it's done, cover it and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes.
After 2 minutes, mix with a wet spoon, then put it back in for 1 minute. Put it back in for 1 minute.
When it's done, put some cornstarch on the cutting board. Then spread it around. And then dump the mochi on top. And then toss it around to coat it with cornstarch. Put some cornstarch on the rolling pin and roll until it's flat. And then let it harden a little.
Once it gets hard, slice it. Make sure to put cornstarch on the knife so it doesn't stick.
Once you cut into small pieces, mix with cornstarch, shake off the excess cornstarch.
Now it's ready, let's eat. This is good, but if you want, you can add it with ice cream.